Aloe Vera how to prepare and use it safely. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, learn about aloe vera's benefits, preparation, and safe use. Top health benefits of aloe vera. Improves digestion and relieves constipation. Hydrates and repairs skin, reducing acne and burns. Contains antioxidants to strengthen immunity. May help balance blood sugar. Supports faster wound healing. Using aloe vera for skin and hair. Apply gel directly to skin or scalp. Leave on 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Moisturizes, reduces dandruff, and strengthens roots. Important rules. Do not overuse aloe vera to avoid diarrhea or cramps. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor. Always perform a patch test for allergies. Warnings. Avoid excessive use that causes stomach issues. Consult healthcare if pregnant or nursing. Test skin sensitivity before widespread use. Thank you for watching. Remember to prepare and use aloe vera safely for best benefits.